Hi, I'm Creighton with TORQ Coatings, and in today's video, we're going to talk about what we can repair and can't repair when it comes to concrete coatings. Most homeowners think they need to fix their concrete first, but that's usually not true. A very big misconception is that people think they need to repair their concrete before calling someone. Do I need a new slab? Can this actually be done or not done? I'm going to tell you exactly what we can repair when it comes to concrete coatings and what we can't repair. TORQ often repairs salt pitting, spalling, hairline cracks, surface imperfections, and things of that nature. What we don't do is repair structural issues when concrete's cracked all the way through, major leveling or sinking slabs. We also don't re-pour concrete. We grind the concrete and fill any imperfections, such as the salt pitting, spalling, the hairline cracks. We cut them open and fill them, because once we fill them with our product and grind that smooth, it gives us the proper prep and the bond in order to install our coating so you don't see the surface damage any longer. So what I'm trying to help you understand is that you should evaluate your concrete prior to thinking that you need to replace or re-pour your concrete. In most cases, your concrete is more salvageable than you may think. And here at TORQ, that's why we do a free in-home design consultation where we'll come out and check the condition of your concrete. And look, at the end of the day, we believe in being honest and transparent, and we'll tell you if we cannot repair something. And if we can't, we'll point you in the right direction of a professional that can help mitigate the situation, and then we can come and install our floor to protect your investment. Because even if it's a new slab, it still needs to be protected, and that's exactly what our coating does. I hope this video helps you understand what we can repair and not repair, and if you have any questions, you know where to find us. Thanks for watching.